Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I don't know about you, but for the past several years, my New Year's Eve has consisted of doing some lovely, relaxing skincare, wearing my lovely, comfy cozies, and eating my favorite snacks while binging my favorite series and movies, and then in bed by 10 and asleep by 10:01. So I'm doing that again this year, and I hope, however, you are going to be celebrating, you're going to be having the happiest and most wonderful time. Now, I'm going to put this on, and I actually got this for Christmas, and you're supposed to put it over your face masks, and I just think I look like I am up to no good, and I'm going to go commit some heinous acts or something, but I'm not. All we're going to do is take a look back at all the tutorials and more that I created and shared in 2024.
January 2024 started off with all the tea from 2023. I also shared my fancy new sewing machine and the most amazing 80s jumpsuit ever, and it's actually become my Refashionista uniform and my awesome brand colors now. Plus, of course, loads of mending and refashioning and thrift hauls and outfit inspiration and my epically awesome Troll Time episode marathon. Plus, of course, some rockin' Refashionista tutorials and DIYs for vintage too. February! This month started off very strong with a vintage refashion and then my new series, Cool Things in My House, plus 3 ways to make a waistband smaller, my brand new trailer, and of course, Galentine's tutorials, and unfortunately, a Galentine thrift fail of some vintage perfume as well, but a hilarious video nonetheless. More cool things in my house, and I shared my top tips for saving on groceries and food, and one of my fave tutorials, of course, is the pants to top refashion and podcast episode. I don't know, should I make more podcast episodes? March. This month began with 2-for-1 bag refashions, some more food hauls, and of course a guy and a troll time, and this awesome tutorial. I actually sold this shirt, so that is wonderful. Plus, of course, thrift hauls, cool things in my house number 3, and St. Patrick's Day, and my first ever carrot haul. And I love carrots so much. It is such a very cool platform to get secondhand items. And what else? Oh, yes, my vintage Barbie case that, of course, I got on the Carrot app, and more cool things in my house. And we ended with 4 amazing upcycles for Easter. April started with more food haul unboxings, plus cool things in my house, and this amazing DIY necktie vest. This was so easy to make, and it came out so super amazingly cool, as did this fantastic tablecloth wrap top and my mammogram story time. Definitely go watch that one. It is a tale as old as time for a first mammogram. And of course, loads more amazing Thrifty Refashionista tutorials and thrift hauls. May always starts off with an awesome May the 4th video, and then we moved on to Troll Time with Frau Inga and these fabulous DIY patchwork flares, then a review of some swimwear and some more cool things in my house, a lovely no-sew jacket refaction. I absolutely love how that jacket came out, so be sure to check that one out, and a rather epic Granny Square refashion roundup, and of course, my studio tour and more. June started off with a hilarious review of some eco-friendly period products, some redos of some Y2K fashion, how I get my hair super straight, an awesome tablecloth top, more thrifty hauls, 5 no-sew refashions in one amazing video, and I tried out those vintage hot rollers that I scored almost for free.
July.
In July, I shared my fave under-eye concealer, and I created the most amazing 80s suit to ever 80s suit, plus shared some more amazing Thrifty hauls, and how I refashioned the items that I scored in my Thrifty hauls. Did a bit of thrifting on eBay as well. And of course, Troll Time made an appearance, and I shared how I mended and upcycled and fixed up my amazing Barbie country camper.
August!
It was super hot, so I shared how to create adorable short sets, and I also released my absolutely amazingly rockingly refashionista books on Amazon. These are the print books, and they are absolutely fabulous, of course. Plus, I shared loads of refashionista tutorials, some troll times, and some compilation videos too.
September!
This month, I shared how to salvage broken powder makeup. I revisited the 90s, shared my before and after kitchen transformation, and of course, it was my 51st birthday. And then I got Barbie Glam Getaway Cottage for my birthday, and I shared some more refashionista tutorials, recipes, and even my bathroom makeover too.
October!
Halloween month means Halloween thrift hauls and tutorials, and I also released my eco-friendly living made easy print book on Amazon. So as always, all the links for everything will be down below for you, and you can support me by getting my awesome print books as well. I absolutely loved all the costumes I made this past October. November! For Fast Franken refashions, plus if this heatless hair curler overnight thingy really does work. And I also updated 2 of my winter jackets and filled my kiddos' DIY advent calendar, plus made a Quirktastic shirt.
December!
For the holiday season of Thriftmas, I, of course, released my upcycled gift guide on Amazon, created an amazing holiday dress in minutes, plus every single day I shared a new day of Thriftmas for my epically awesome 12 Days of Thriftmas series. There was everything from gifts you could put together from around your house, sustainable wrapping ideas, of course, clothing ideas, and just so many things. I am so proud of how all of this came out, and please do let me know if you enjoyed my 12 Days of Thriftmas and all of my videos throughout this entire year.
Can you believe that? I actually created 117 full tutorial videos, and some of them contained multiple tutorials. But not only that, I also created and shared 357 YouTube shorts, and of course countless TikToks and Facebook posts and whatever the heck other social media I have, I post to like every single day. I am very proud and patting myself on the back because that's crazy. I'm a one-woman show. I do absolutely everything by myself. So I think I'm allowed to be very, very proud of myself. And I truly hope that you enjoy my videos as much as I enjoy coming up with the ideas, creating them, and sharing them with you. And of course, you know what? I'm going to take this off because I look really scary. Anyway, let's just take it all off and check the state of the skin. Ooh, lovely. Lovely 51-year-old refashionista skin. Beautiful. Anyway, I genuinely hope, I don't know, my brain doesn't work sometimes. I'm sorry. I'm in perimenopause. It happens. So let's rewind a little bit and start that again. I genuinely hope and wish you the most successful, happiest, healthiest 2025 possible. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. La la.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.